Alrighty, how are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 21 of GoMining's solo mining. I can't believe we're on week 21 already. Time just flies. So, of course, we still got our 3 miners sitting at a nice, beautiful 215 terahash at 20 watts a terahash and a beautiful 6.01 discount. And now, to get into the total rewards, sitting at oh my god, look at that, sitting at 0.030209999 Bitcoin. That is $3,544.77. Holy shit! But with Bitcoin sitting at $117,406 at the moment, it is worth $3,546.83. So it's up just over $2 from what it actually says over here. But that is beautiful. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin making that recovery. We might even be looking at new all-time highs this month. We might just. And now for our weekly rewards between September 9th and September 15th, we are sitting at 0.00029310 Bitcoin. Again, our rewards have slowly dropped because the pool reward has dropped, because obviously there's either a lot more people mining, which then automatically makes it so the rewards get distributed among more people. And the only way to keep up with this is to add more terahash or to let the price of Bitcoin keep riding up, because then you're still making the same amount of money, just not the same amount of satoshis. But that is perfectly okay, because last week was $34.41 in Bitcoin. But hey, think about it like this. Not if, but when Bitcoin reaches $240,000, just under a quarter mil, then this is going to be worth $68, just under 70. So I'm not worried about that at all. But just a quick little reminder for people, if you want to get some free GoMining tokens, ensure that you're doing these bounty programs. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, come on over here, click on this, come down to where it says promos, click on that, and then the bounty program, click on this, scroll all the way down, and ensure that you are watching this YouTube video. All I ever really do is just watch the GoMining videos, because for some reason my X, even though I have enough followers, I have 30 plus followers on X, and I make posts like daily. I don't know why it's not giving me any on this, but I don't care. Telegram and Reddit, I don't use Reddit, I don't use Telegram. And then I need you guys to help me with these ones. Obviously I can't do this myself, but as long as you come down here once a week and you watch this video, you should get a weekly bounty program reward with a few GMT in it. Now obviously you're not going to get a whole lot, but hey, free GMT is free GMT. Just like coming over here and clicking this service button gets you extra Bitcoin because you keep that discount. So for anyone who wants to start mining Bitcoin, the link will be down in the description below. You start mining for as little as 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash for $26.99. You'll be making 2 cents a day, or $8.36 a year, up to a 32% ROI. And if you use my referral link down in the description below, you will get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased. So if you want to purchase 100 terahash, you'll get 5 free terahash with it. Now obviously they don't have an exact 100 terahash model, but 96 is close enough. You'll get just under 5 free terahash just for using the referral code, and 5 free terahash alone is worth a 4 terahash miner plus a 1 terahash miner together. So that's $103 plus $27, which is $130 absolutely for free when you use my referral link down in the description below to get your extra 5% terahash on any miner you purchase, but it has to be your first miner purchase. So anyways, hopefully everyone's having a good day and a good week, and you're still mining Bitcoin, and if you aren't, it's probably a good idea to start investing your money somewhere. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon.
Turn it to a sport.